Rendang, a popular dish from the West Sumatra region of Indonesia, has gained a reputation as one of the most delicious foods in the world. Its rich, complex flavors and tender meat have captured the hearts and taste buds of people from all over the globe. However, what truly sets rendang apart from other dishes is its incredible durability. It has been said that rendang can last for up to a year without spoiling. But is this true? In this article, we will uncover the secrets behind rendang's legendary durability and explore the fascinating history and cultural significance of this beloved dish. The key to rendang's reputation. To understand the secret behind rendang's reputation, we must first look at its key ingredient, coconut milk. Coconut trees have been an important part of the West Sumatran culture since the 13th century, and coconut milk has been used in cooking for centuries. However, what makes rendang unique is the way in which the coconut milk is used to cook the meat. Rendang requires the coconut milk to be squeezed from the grated coconut until it becomes a thick, creamy liquid. This coconut milk is then used to cook the meat slowly over a low flame, along with a blend of herbs and spices. The secret to making perfect rendang. For the people of West Sumatra, rendang is a special dish that requires patience, precision, and a deep understanding of the ingredients and techniques involved. The first step in making rendang is to select the right pan and prepare the coconut milk. The herbs and spices are then carefully selected and ground into a paste. Next, the meat is mixed with the coconut milk and spices and cooked over a low flame for at least 4 hours, during which time it must be stirred slowly and continuously to ensure that the flavors are fully absorbed. The result is a rich, tender meat that is bursting with flavor and aroma. Rendang's adventure-filled history. Rendang's history is as rich and complex as its flavor. It is said that rendang was first introduced to the coast of Sumatra by Indian traders who were traveling in search of adventure. They brought with them the concept of cooking with coconut milk, which eventually led to the creation of rendang. Over time, rendang became an important part of the Minangkabau culture, and its durability made it the perfect food for travelers and adventurers. It was said that rendang could last for days or even weeks, providing sustenance for those on long journeys. While rendang is most closely associated with the Minangkabau culture, it has become popular throughout Indonesia and is often served at Indonesian restaurants and festivals around the world. In recent years, rendang has also gained international recognition, with CNN naming it the world's best food in 2017 in a global survey of culinary experts. Despite its popularity, rendang remains a dish that is best enjoyed fresh, and it is important to properly store and handle the dish to ensure its safety and quality. Leftovers should be refrigerated promptly and consumed within a few days, or frozen for longer-term storage. With its complex flavors and impressive durability, rendang is a dish that truly embodies the rich culinary traditions of Indonesia. The secret behind rendang's durability. So, is it true that rendang can last for a year? The answer is no. While rendang is incredibly durable, it cannot last for a year without spoiling. However, it can last for several days without refrigeration or any other form of preservation. The secret behind rendang's durability is the blend of herbs and spices that are used to season the dish. These herbs and spices have antibacterial properties that help to repel bacteria and prevent the meat from spoiling. This means that rendang can be enjoyed for several days without the need for refrigeration or artificial preservatives. In conclusion, rendang is a beloved dish that has captured the hearts and taste buds of people from all over the world. Its rich, complex flavors and tender meat are a testament to the skill and dedication of the Minangkabau people. Do not forget to check out our recipe for this dish in the description of this video. And of course, please do subscribe to our channel.